Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking that red blue subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell that pops up immediately you subscribe, so that YouTube can tell you that I have uploaded a new video. Then if you're a returning subscriber, you are heartily welcome. Alright, this video is for you guys that have been disturbing me for a weight loss recipe. Today's video is specially dedicated to you people, okay? I got your backs. Alright, today's recipe will be a simple drink that when you take judiciously, you will definitely lose weight, okay? Alright, without wasting much of your time, let's get into the kitchen and start blending. For this weight loss recipe, we need pineapple, ginger and cucumber. For the purpose of this video, so that it won't be long, I listed the benefits of these things in the description box, okay? Into your blender, put in your pineapple followed by a cucumber and then 1 finger of ginger. Alright, pour in 1 cup of water and you blend away. Blend until you get a good consistency. Alright, make it smooth consistencies because we are going to sieve it out. We don't need the chaff, we only need the drink, okay? Alright, this is our drink after we have sieved it. Is it not looking yummy? Alright there, this is our amazing weight loss drink. Make sure you take this before you go to bed, about 30 minutes before you go to bed, and on an empty stomach in the morning, okay? And I guarantee you, if you eat healthy and take this drink, you are going to lose weight. Take it from me, alright? And the mint leaf inside is edible. You can eat it while you enjoy your drink, okay? This drink can be enjoyed chilled or not, okay? It's your call. Refreshing and delicious. See you in my next video. Remain blessed.